Get ready, because in 2024, Broods 13 and 19 are set to emerge. When and where should we expect them? What makes this emergence so special, and most importantly, will they hurt my crops or my pets? Let's talk about it. First things first, cicada broods are groups of periodical cicadas that emerge once every 13 or 17 years, depending on the species. This year, we're in for a double treat as Broods 13 and 19 make their appearance together. Brood 19, also known as the Great Southern Brood, is a 13-year cicada brood that typically emerges in the southeastern portions of the U.S. and some Midwest states, including Missouri and Illinois. Brood 13, also known as the Northern Illinois Brood, is a 17-year cicada brood with an emergence epicenter of northern Illinois, hence the name. The exact start date of their emergence can vary based on local climate conditions, but it generally occurs in late April through June. Keep in mind that the emergence of cicadas is influenced by ground temperature, and when the soil temperature reaches around 64 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius, the nymphs will start emerging from the ground. It's advised to check local reports and updates from entomologists for more accurate information on the emergence in your specific region. What makes the 2024 emergence so special? This is a co-emergent phenomenon with both Broods 13 and 19, and it's a rare occurrence. But how rare is it that the emergence of a 17-year brood will align with a 13-year brood? Take 13 times 17 for that answer, which is 221. So this is pretty rare. The last time these broods emerged together, people were rocking out to Beethoven and giving the Louisiana Purchase a big thumbs up, just like you should do to this video. These cicadas have been living underground, feeding on tree roots, and now it's their time to shine. Before you know it, cicadas will cover trees in massive numbers. The males will begin their distinctive chorus, producing a loud buzzing sound to attract females. The noise can be pretty intense, reaching up to 100 decibels. It's their way of communicating and finding mates. But it's not just about the noise. The emergence of cicadas plays a crucial role in the ecosystem. As they molt and transform into adults, they provide a feast for various predators like birds, mammals, and even some adventurous humans. And now for the real question, will they hurt my crops or my pets? Cicadas are the original sapsucker, drinking nutrients in tree roots while they count the years going by underground. And when they emerge, it's more of the same fluids-only diet from trees just above ground. As such, they're not interested in your summer garden crops, and they're definitely not interested in biting people or pets. So no need to hide your kids. Get ready for a once every 2 centuries natural phenomenon as Broods 13 and 19 emerge in 2024. I'll be making another video about these broods when they emerge again here in another 221 years, so subscribe by clicking that man cycle logo so you don't miss it. See you next time.